Oh, my aching scaly belly. Oh.
Dragon, what happened?
I was trying to improve your eyesight, so I ate several dozen carrot pastries, carrot muffins, carrot bread, and after that, a few dozen more. Oh.
And that will help me how exactly?
It is science, Jane.
Well, sorry about your stomach, but I have come to take you up on your offer.
Offer?
To fly over the maze tonight and light my way.
Jane, how do I put this delicately? If I attempt to fly tonight, fire will come out at both ends. Oh.
Dragon! Can you hear them? Can you hear the wolves?
Oh, wolves. I thought it was my stomach howling in pain. Oh.
No, there are wolves close by the castle, and the princess is missing and the knights are out searching for her.
What? Is Jane with them?
Yes, out in the maze.
Oh. Wolves. Vicious beasts. Flame! Make it snappy. My stomach is starting to boil.
Dragon?
Oh. It feels like an army is marching on my stomach.
Have you eaten?
Bog myrtle, fetid mandrake root.
Take... But Smith